doing?
You know what these are?
What are you gonna do with that? These are battery things.
They sure are.
What are you gonna do with this?
Make my life a lot easier tomorrow. These are
Tomorrow?
from Dorman.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with them?
I'll show you.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Every 5 minutes you're in that Dorman thing back there, huh?
I sure am. Okay, good.
Beautiful. So what are you doing?
See this?
Yeah.
Every year goes by and I have to buy a new battery. Next year goes by, it's dead getting. I'm tired of it.
Right.
Like, completely tired of it. Since, you know, we have a shop and we always have car batteries hanging around, I'm going to bypass the battery. These cables I'm going to make longer. They're going to go all the way out to the front.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Where the car battery will be, and you just put the quick connects on this end, and it's done.
That's the smartest thing you can do, bro. Okay?
So, let's...
Because, you know, these batteries, what are they, $40? $40. Oh, all right, so what are we doing?
I'm going to go get the tools, and I'm going to take that battery out.
You know what's terrible? We need to shorten these. Look at this. I can leave the battery here and go cut the grass with the lawnmower. Leave a little bit of slack over there. Yeah, cut them right here, where my finger is. Good. Nice. Here, you take these. Here, I'll open the box. Look at this. It even comes with a tool. Oh, yeah. Which one you want to do first? You always have a little bit showing at the front of it. It's the way it works. This way, one side kind of somewhat flares and it stays on. You know what I'm saying? Okay, good. There's one. Beautiful, bro.
Now it's the negative.
Hammer that negative one out. What are the 3 colors that show negative?
Brown.
Most 90% of the time. So let's see if you know.
Brown.
Uh-huh.
Black, of course.
Yeah.
And sometimes white.
No.
Green, sorry.
There you go. And now tomorrow there's no guesswork. See, you just come in, jump on a lawnmower and go. Then if you want, you can put a little carry or a basket. You know, something to hold the batteries.
All right. Moment of truth.
Get the heck out of here. You know it works. Go ahead, give it a shot. E-brake.
Oh, you know about that?
Oh,
I'm
I
busting
know
your
about it.
chops.
How much grass I cut with this thing?
I know.
There you go, bro. Ready? Perfect. Running everything over. Taking over the world.
One set of Dorman wires at a time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.